Well, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Gimmie Dem Keys. Today, we are in a very fast N54 335. So this very loud. That's like not even half throttle. That's like 30% throttle. That's just accelerating and the thing's getting in the boost and it's already starting to kick me back. So anyways, this is a top mount DG Autowerks top mount 335. It makes 715 wheel horsepower. So that was his last dyno, and it feels pretty insane already just off a half pull. But I think I'm pretty excited for this. This isn't the first N54 I drove, but this is probably the first one I drove on the channel, and this is going to be the fastest. So it might be one of the fastest cars I've driven, actually. I don't know, that Corvette is still up there. I'm not going to forget about that twin turbo Corvette. I guess I'll tell you how it feels in a minute, but this thing, it's insane. Has a precision 6766 turbo, has precision coils, has a black market intake manifold, and it's just very loud. It has a the exhaust is dumped right there on the hood, so so every time I touch the gas, it's right there in front of the engine. So you can hear everything. This car's gonna be very loud, and I can tell it's gonna be very fast. The has solid mounts all through the car, trans mounts, bushings, all that, everything, engine mounts, everything's solid. So there's gonna be no play, which is okay. I'm fine with you know, vibrations and stuff, which I actually don't feel any, surprisingly, for it to be solid mounts. But I mean, I guess it is a new age car. It's not run down like some E36 or something like that. So it feels great. It actually feels pretty good with a solid mount. So that's a plus. So yeah, I mean, he has a GFB G-Force boost controller in here, so he can set up his boost and like boost cut and all that stuff. So that's pretty nifty, and it's right there on the fly. So if he wants to change it, boom, 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 hit some buttons right now. Right now, I'm supposed to be making around 28 PSI, I think he said, 28, 29, something like that. And he makes, you know, 715 wheel horsepower. So we're gonna see how that feels. He said second gear is pointless. First gear is obviously pointless. He said third and fourth gear is the only time it like really hits, because it is a big turbo, so it is gonna lag. So second gear, by the time it kicks in, you're gonna be top of gear and it's just gonna spin. So when I do it, I'm just gonna do it in third gear and just hold on for dear life. So now the thing about N54s is, a lot of people know, they've always had like problems with like reliability and stuff, and that was the reason I didn't want one. Remember, I said a long time ago when I got my M3, I was between an M3 or an N54, which I know N54s make a lot of power easily, but I was worried about the reliability thing. So he's had no issues with this car, and hopefully that stays for today. There's no wood in here I can knock on, so I'm just gonna like cross my fingers, cross my middle fingers. West Side. It's the one and only DG Autowerks. So we're gonna get to some open road over here pretty soon, and I'm gonna let this thing eat. But it sounds crazy. It sounds sick. The interior's nice. Got like blue splatter paint on the dash and all that stuff with the blue gauges. Got a blue start button. The shifter feels really great. I don't know what shifter it is. I think it's stock, but I mean, it has a nice throw. The rear end, a lot of things with N54s and 335s and stuff, they usually have like open diffs, and then if you want to get an LSD, it's like super expensive. He actually did a full M3 rear swap on this car, so it has an M3 rear diff and M3 R tabs and everything. So it's again, that was like not half throttle, or that was like half throttle. So this this thing sounds nuts, dude. So yeah, he has a full M3, so it actually has LSD. He's gonna You know, it's gonna hook on both sides. It's not gonna be open diff and just spinning one tire down the highway. So pretty excited for that. And yeah, just should put the power down to the ground. I don't remember what tires he's on there, but it's some big, like some comp, I can't remember, but they're pretty beefy, and I guess if he has them, they have to have some type of grip. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm pretty excited. All right, guys, well, I finally made it to Mexico. I'm gonna do a half throttle second gear pull just to see like what it's supposed to feel like. This is half throttle. That was half throttle. Oh my God. Okay. I'm gonna wait for a little bit more opening because this thing is gonna roll, dude. Oh my God. That was so loud. All right, time to get serious. I'm gonna do second gear half throttle and then full throttle in the third gear. So here's second gear half throttle from like a 40. God, this thing is rolling, dude. Woo! I need a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Oh, there goes that feeling. I knew it was coming. Oh my God! All right, let's go third. Oh my God! There's a little bit of lag, but it's not as much as I thought. It's not as much as I thought. I've driven 1Js and now a 2J. They definitely have more lag than that. This thing doesn't have that much lag. Oh crap. This thing is loud. This thing, honestly, half throttle is enough. Like, it's... This is a lot of cars. Alright, we are back. I actually want to feel what second feels like. Let's see. Oh my God! Ow! Why is it so loud? Oh my God. This thing is nuts. Jesus Christ. God. And it's bad because I'm getting confident with it. It actually feels good. It goes straight. The M3 rear end feels good. Like, it does what you expect it to do. It does am going a little bit over the speed limit. So I'm thinking about to call this one before I get too used to it. Except I'm gonna do one more pull, so this is gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the next episode. Oh my God. Oh my God. That Corvette gonna have a run for its money.